Pat Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today because today at Pat Cake we are making a Goan Chicken Curry that's simple and quick and easy to make. Now that doesn't mean I'm making a curry that's kind of bland. I'm not. This delicious chicken curry Goan style is delightfully creamy, and you'll be surprised that a curry that can be prepared so quickly could be this tasty. And today we are adding potatoes to our curry, meaning we are making a chicken curry with potatoes. And oh yes, if you're one of my regular viewers, you could be wondering about the changed setting. Well, I'm still in the United States, but now I'm visiting my youngest sister and her family. Okay, so if you're ready to watch how I make delicious Goan chicken curry, let's get started making this right here at Pat Cake. To begin with, I have to emphasize that in this recipe, we are using regular kitchen spices, no special ingredients, and yet this is a curry anyone could feast on, seriously. So do watch the video till the very end. Okay, now let's start by marinating the chicken. This is 2 pounds or 900 grams of chicken. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs and legs. You could use curry cuts instead. This curry can also be made with boneless chicken, but with bone-in chicken pieces, you'll get a tastier curry because the bones add to the flavor. I've already washed the chicken pieces and now I'll marinate them with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, and 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Here I have 4 teaspoons of crushed garlic. So I'll add just half of it now and save the other half for the curry. We'll also add in 2 tablespoons of lime juice to tenderize the chicken. Let's mix the marinade ingredients well with the chicken pieces. We'll now set this aside and let the chicken marinate for around 40 to 45 minutes. If you're in a hurry, you could reduce the marination time to 30 minutes. Here I have 350 grams of potatoes that I have peeled and cut into halves. Let's add these to this pot where I have heated a quarter cup plus 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. We'll saute the potatoes for around 4 minutes to cook them partially. And then remove them to a plate. Next, we'll add some whole spices to the hot oil. 8 cloves, 3 small cinnamon sticks, 12 peppercorns, and 5 green cardamoms. And saute these for a minute. And then we'll add 1 1/4 cups of finely chopped onion and saute this till it browns. When the onions get well caramelized, the curry becomes even more flavorful. Now that the onions have browned beautifully, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 3/4 cup of finely chopped tomato. And saute everything till the tomato softens. Now let's add the remaining 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Saute this for a few seconds and then add the marinated chicken. We'll increase the heat a little and saute the chicken for around 5 minutes. Gently turning over the chicken pieces now and then. After that, let's reduce the heat to medium-low and add around 1.5 tablespoons of chilli powder. This is a mix of 1 tablespoon of regular chilli powder and half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander cumin powder, half a teaspoon of salt. We'll add some more later on if necessary. And 1 cup of water. And then let's stir everything. Add a 1/4 cup more of water. Cover the pot and cook the chicken for 15 minutes on medium-low heat, checking the curry in between and adding a little more water if necessary. After 15 minutes, we'll add in the partly cooked potatoes and around 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of hot water and cover and cook the chicken for around 6 to 7 minutes more or till the chicken is almost done. Now to give the curry a creamy texture and enhance its taste even more, let's add 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. You could extract this by grinding half a cup of grated fresh coconut or reconstituting half a cup of coconut milk powder with hot water, or just add coconut milk from a can. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Let's give the curry a stir, cover the pot and cook the curry for around 5 minutes more till the chicken is fully cooked. Our curry has such a delicious, mouth-watering fragrance. Time to check the taste. It's super tasty. There's no other way to describe it. It needs just around a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, maybe. Finally, to give the curry a pat cake touch, we'll add in a tablespoon of butter. You could also add ghee instead. Let's stir the curry and then garnish it with chopped coriander. And here it is, our delicious Goan chicken curry. Let's plate it. This is definitely a curry you'll want to make often. And believe me, everyone will want more of it. You could serve it over some fluffy plain white rice or with rotis or chapatis. And then just dig in. The chicken is so soft and tender. And delicious. Do make this creamy, fragrant chicken curry with potatoes at home in your own kitchen soon. And please share the link with your family and friends. On that delicious note, I'll sign off, but not before reminding you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that yet. See you in my next video. Till then, happy cooking!